All right, now that we have the raising sculpt tool in place, it's time to move over to the lowering sculpt tool.
Yeah, here's our raising sculpt tool. I mean, there's, tons and tons of things going on here. Actually, it's not too bad once you start breaking it down. Now, let's look at our lowering
Those are
sculpt
brushes.
tool. Yeah, I'm getting there.
Oh, okay.
It's all lag on the system. Come on.
Oh, okay.
All right, so here's our lowering sculpt tool. So let's compare that with our raising sculpt tool. And, let's copy this. Go to our lowering sculpt tool. Take this bit of it. Paste that in there. Come down here. All right, done. All right, we got a lowering sculpt tool.
All right.
We're styling now. So let's see what happens.
At least the video hit 1 minute in length.
Well, we got testing and playing to go, so,
All right, so
now you can raise and lower and make caverns with your mountains.
All right, so let me just, I'm not going to worry about any major sizes or anything, but we'll just come over here and, oops, let's get our hard edge brush, and we're raising, nice, and we are lowering again by holding the control key down. And Lee, what's going on here?
Oh, there's shearing.
The shearing of doom.
Yep.
So for that, what needs to be done?
What, when that happens?
Yeah.
You got to go back with the smooth brush and smooth it out.
Smooth it out.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing to go behind and sniff it out.
No, not until that's what I was talking about at the end of the other video. There's still some roughness to the system.
Oh, okay.
We don't have anything that goes through and then does a cleanup pass.
Okay, I'm with you.
To check all the edges. That would be something that will be easier to implement once we've got a vertex cache in place. Because right now, no patch has any knowledge of any other patch.
Okay. Yeah, they're hosed. I need a smoothing tool now.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Well, we do know that we can raise and lower at this point. Oh, yeah, all that's hosed now.
Well, yeah, that's because you walked off and came back.
I did not.
You did too.
You're just seeing things.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, huh? It's like a river in here now.
Yeah. Okay, whatever.
Okay, cool. All right, so that's going to wrap this one up, right?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah,
it's really simple. I mean, the leveling tool, which is next, is a little bit more complicated.
Yeah.
But for, lowering, which is just the inverse of raising, there's not a whole lot to it.
Okay, awesome. Well, with that, that is going to wrap up this video. Thanks a lot.